In this video, I'm going to show you where to find wheat in one's human and the best wheat location inside one's human. So basically, if I open up the map over here, you'll see that I have teleported to Dadsville, which is basically a very early game area. You need only level 5 to get there. And as you can see, I just drove up this road over here to this area where I'm at right now, next to this kind of farmy area. And as you can see over here, next to the road, to the right of this road, if you drive from Dadsville towards this town, you'll see that there's a bunch of wheat nodes. So here's one, and then we have one over here as well, as you can see, and then there's one over here, and you can pretty much farm as many of these as you would like. Okay, now if you ran out of them, as you can see, I just I'm not even close to farming all of them already. However, if you ran out of all of them and you need more for some reason, what you can do is drive yourself back to Dadsville, change the world, and then come back and use and do it again and simply collect even more wheat. And you can do this process over and over again and farm as much wheat as possible. However, as you can see, there's plenty of it to be collected over here, and you shouldn't have a problem with finding it. It doesn't matter what the time is, and doesn't matter in which world you are. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.